Oldham Ramblers volunteer footpath clearance and maintenance team were out again last week. When? Tuesday the 24th of September 2024. Where? Working on footpaths FP172 and FP174 Saddleworth off Huddersfield Road Scouthead near the Three Crowns pub. What? Strimming, cutting back and clearing both footpaths and the stone steps, edge trimming and improving the surface. Who? 7 volunteers out this week: Ken, Bob, Paul, Mike, Martin, Kevin and Tony. A big thank you to all the volunteers and thank you for watching. Hole found in footpath and temporarily filled with concrete and reported to Oldham Council. Volunteers working for walkers. Keep on walking.